okay, 14. X satisfies the simultaneous equations sine 2x plus square root of 3 cos 2x equals minus 1, and square root of 3 sine 2x minus cos 2x is square root of 3, where x lies between inclusive 0 and 360. Find the sum of the possible values of x. Okay, so this is very similar to, the log question we did in question 11. Because, again, it's simultaneous equations, but of course with some dodgy functions inside. But again, we could consider them as objects. So consider sine 2x as an object, and consider cos 2x as an object, as an object in mathematics. Okay, so how do we solve these? Millions of ways, to be honest. Maybe I would multiply the second equation by square root of 3. So then you get like 3 sine 2x minus root 3 cos 2x equals 3. Why would I do that? Because then you add it with the first equation, right? Then the cos 2x is cancelled, so 4 sine 2x equals 2. Good, so sine 2x equals a half. Very good. How about cos 2x? So if sine 2x is a half, let's use the first equation, say. So a half plus root 3 cos 2x equals negative 1. Okay, so that means that cos 2x is what? Negative root 3 over 2. So cos 2x is negative root 3 over 2. Okay, I can't be asked to do the algebra. I think, it's trivial. Good. So I need to find value of x's which satisfy both these conditions. Warning, both of them. Both of them. Okay, so sine 2x equals 1/2. So remember, you need the true range, because x is between 0 and 360. So I'm dealing with 2x today. So make sure you use the true range, 0 to 720. So sine is 1/2. That is 2x equals, what would it be? 30, let's say. 30, 150, 390, and what's the last guy? 510. 510. Good. Okay, how about cos 2x? So cos 2x is negative root 3 over 2. What would that be? I'm not very good at this, seems like. So 150 seems like. 210. What else? 510. 510 and 570. Yes. Good. Okay, tell me sometime. Okay, so what overlapped? What overlapped? So the overlapping bits. So you guys can't see the 510 on the sine 2x seems like. So let me resize this, but then it decided to white screen. That's very helpful. Okay, so maybe I'm going to pause the video and come back to it, so I could fix this issue. Okay, great, we're back. So you can see the 510 there, So for the sine 2x, just now the last solution was off the screen, so now you guys can see it. Okay, so what are the overlaps? So the overlaps are 150 and 510, 150 and 510. 150, 510, 150, 510. Good, so therefore x equals what? Divide that by 2, so that's 75. And then the other guy, that is 255, Good, find sum of the possible values of x, right? So when it's 75 plus 255, what do we have? 330. So the final answer is B.